Big changes are happening in the crafting world. JOANN Fabrics and Crafts, a beloved go-to for sewing, knitting, and all things DIY, is closing several stores in Washington. What does this mean for local customers, small businesses, and craft enthusiasts? And more importantly, why is this happening? Stick around as we break it all down and uncover the real story behind these closures. For decades, JOANN Fabrics has been the heart of the crafting community, providing everything from fabric to home decor and seasonal decorations. Founded in 1943, this company has grown into one of the most recognized names in arts and crafts retail. But despite its long-standing reputation, recent economic shifts and changing consumer habits have created major challenges. So what's causing these closures? Let's break it down. Declining foot traffic. Online shopping has taken over, and fewer people are visiting physical stores. Even loyal JOANN customers are shifting to digital alternatives. Rising operational costs, rent, wages, and supply chain issues have made it difficult for retailers to stay profitable, and JOANN is no exception. Increased competition. Stores like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and even big retailers like Walmart and Amazon have become fierce competitors, offering similar products at competitive prices. Economic uncertainty. Inflation and economic concerns have led to reduced spending on non-essential items like crafts and hobbies. Now, let's talk about which JOANN locations in Washington are affected. While the company has not shut down nationwide, several underperforming stores are closing. Reports indicate closures in specific locations if available, and possibly more as the company reassesses its financial strategy. If your local JOANN is on this list, it may be time to take advantage of clearance sales before they shut their doors for good. For loyal customers, this is a tough blow. Many have relied on JOANN for fabric, seasonal decor, and crafting supplies for years. If you're impacted by a closure, here are a few things you can do. Visit other local craft stores and support small businesses in your area. Check out JOANN's online store for continued access to your favorite supplies. Look for alternative retailers like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. JOANN's store closures signal a shift in the retail landscape. With more shoppers going digital, businesses are adapting. Could JOANN fully transition to an online-first approach in the future? Only time will tell. Meanwhile, crafting itself is still thriving, with many turning to Etsy, online tutorials, and digital fabric shops for their creative needs. So, what do you think about these JOANN store closures? Will it affect your crafting routine? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on business, finance, and retail news. See you in the next one.